Hi, my name is Lorelee Ingles. I'm the Special Education Director at AAI. I've been here since the beginning. With special education, we provide specialized instruction for our students in reading, math, writing, kids on the autism spectrum, kids who struggle with behavior. One thing that we are especially known for is really providing a safe and inclusive environment for everybody. That means building a relationship with our students, getting to know them before we put expectations on them, and also really fostering that relationship with parents so that they, in their heart, know that they're sending their child to a safe place where they're going to be taken care of. I think we are unique because we're not traditional education. And yes, we fulfill the requirements that the state and federal government require for special education, but we really look beyond that to create an individual space for our kids. And I believe that sets us apart and makes us different. I think if you send your student here, then you can expect that they are going to feel safe and comfortable. They're going to find other students that can relate to them and form long-lasting friendships and relationships and really be able to practice that in a public environment.